Next example of homogeneous type recurrence relation equation is an plus 1 square is equal to 5 into n square with initial condition values a0 is equal to 2, comma a8 is equal to, we have to find out a8 value in that question. Then to solve this question, let us consider bn value is equal to n square. Then using this equation, just put value n is equal to 0, then we get next equation as b0 is equal to a0 square. Then b0 is equal to a0 value is given in the question, therefore we put the a0 value in this equation, that is 2 square. Then we get b0 value as 2 square means 4, that is b0 value is equal to 4. Similarly, the given question is an plus 1 square is equal to 5 into n square. We can write n square is equal to bn. We can put n square at the place of n square, we can put value as bn. Therefore bn plus 1 is equal to 5 as it is write down, n square write as bn using this formula. Then the this given equation is, we can write this given equation as bn plus 1 minus 5 into bn is equal to 0. Means function value of this equation is equal to 0. Means this equation is linear homogeneous type of recurrence relation equation of order 1. If the order 1 of the any type of linear homogeneous type equation, then the factor value is directly is equal to this constant value. That is z is equal to, factor answer is 5. Therefore, the general solution for this type of homogeneous type equation is bn is equal to a into alpha 1 raised to power n. Alpha 1 means factor of the given equation, that is factor given is 5. Therefore, we can put alpha 1 value as 5. That is bn is equal to a into 5 raised to n is the general solution of given equation. Then we know the b0 value is equal to 4. Therefore, bn is equal to a into 5 raised to power n. We can write this equation again. Then put n is equal to 0 value in that equation. Then b0 is equal to a into 5 raised to power n value put at 0. That is 5 raised to power 0. Then b0 value we know that 4. Therefore, put this value 4 is equal to a into 5 raised to power 0, answer is 1. That is 1 multiplied by a, answer is a. Therefore, we get answer a value is equal to 4. Then we know that the equation, we again write that this equation bn is equal to 4 into 5 raised to power n. Then we know that we let bn is equal to n square in first condition. We again write that condition. Then from this equation we can write an is equal to square root of bn. That is an is equal to, we put bn value, that is 4 into 5 raised to power n. Put the value of bn, that is this value put in that equation. Therefore, bn value put in that equation, then we get equation as an is equal to square root of 4 into 5 raised to power n. Then an is equal to 4 square root value is 2 and 5 raised to power n square root value is 5 raised to power n divided by 2. Then we have to find out a8 value. Therefore, a8 is equal to 2 into 5 raised to power n by 2. We just put n is equal to 8. That is 5 raised to power 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Therefore, we get next equation as a8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4. Then to find out the value of a8, we just calculate 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4 means 4 times multiplication. This calculation answer is 625. That is 2 multiplied by 625. Last answer of a8 value is 1250. This is the solution of given question.